Greetings everyone, Dumelang Sanbonanda, umkhululo wami osihlalo we-The League. Bafethu, kubuhlungu but ke ayikho into esingayenza. It's been one long journey, sinani yabo. And I want to say congratulations to everyone who has made it to the top 5 once again. So I think and I really feel like this is the last round that you entered, round 3, and on the outcome I know that we'll have our top 3 officially with their own rankings, number 1, number 2, number 3, and their prizes. So words of encouragement to everyone who's in the top 5. Ensure that you work this time because I'm rooting for you. This is the Interprovincial Singing Competition, South Africa, where talent matters, and we'll continue to embrace it. Stay tuned for the next announcements on the third round. Good night.